Alright everyone, in today's episode we want to show you a classical Indian dessert, the Gajar Ka Halwa, and how we developed it further by adding a tasty coconut layer on the top. We begin with 1.5 kilo fresh carrots. We peel them and remove the ends. Now we have to grate all the carrots, which will take some effort. We give the grated carrots in a big pot and add 700 milliliters milk. We also add 100 gram brown sugar. Mix everything well and start boiling it. After a while, we add to our mix 1 tablespoon cardamom powder. Now we have to cook the whole mixture for around 30 minutes at medium heat, until all the water from the milk is evaporated. Don't forget to stir everything from time to time to prevent the mixture from burning at the bottom. When all the water is evaporated, we add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, which is another word for clarified butter. We fry the whole mixture carefully for another 5 minutes until everything turns even a bit brown. Remove the heat now and let it cool out. Our classic Gajar Ka Halwa is now ready, and we come to the second layer. For a second layer, we give 100 gram coconut flakes in a pot and add 500 milliliters condensed milk to it. We also add 1 tablespoon brown sugar and 1 tablespoon cardamom powder. Then we need again 1 tablespoon ghee, which we also add to our coconut flakes. Similar to our carrot mixture, we start frying everything very carefully until all the water is evaporated and we get a thick, almost sticky mixture. As a last step, we need to prepare some nuts. We melt some more clarified butter in a small pot and add 50 gram of shredded almonds to it. Very carefully roast the almonds and also add 50 gram pistachios to our pot. Roast both very careful. Don't burn these nuts. When they become too dark, they get a bitter taste and are not pleasant anymore. Now we add half the nuts to our carrot halwa and mix everything well. We spread the carrot halwa in a baking dish as a first layer. Then we spread the coconut mixture on the top as a second layer and decorate the surface with the leftover nuts. The 2-layer Gajar Ka Halwa with coconut is now ready. You can serve it warm or leave it in the fridge overnight if you want to serve it cold. We hope you like our recipe and try it yourself. Don't forget to leave a like, comment what you think, and subscribe if you are new on our channel. We thank you for all your support and hope you have an awesome day. That's about all. Over and out.